Promise talaga.
Ha? Look! Look, Elliot!
Oh!
Oh. Banana yung gusto nila eh.
Oh my God!
Why?
Meto dito sa ano mo. Sa balikat. May libreng
Want to try it, darling?
Want to try,
You want
Elliot?
to try, Elliot?
Banana. Here, eat at your shoulders you want.
Yay! Nice one! Elliot! Mommy, look, there's the other one!
Wala, oh my God, crow! Huwag yan, Ethan. Huwag yan, bakit naman yun ang bumisita sa atin? Uy, tanggalin niyo yung mansanas na kakainin ng crow.
Siya pa rin yung kanina? Siya pa rin yung kanina, Dad? Yung may tiwala sa'yo? Natakot yung isa eh.
Sino?
Natakot yung isa. Wala pa siyang, parang may trust issues.
Elliot? Actually, me.
Sa ano, sa balikat.
I think the crow's falling down now.
Gusto mo ba baka lumapit sa'yo, crow? Nakaitim ka kasi. Ayoko.
Hello.
Elliot,
You try, you try.
You put banana on your shoulder. You want?
Daddy, can you put your banana in the shoulder? Can you put it in your shoulder?
Pinadala niya. Nilalaglag mo lang eh. Nakadagin mo nga ako.
Why the bird is so funny?
Ito si Elliot.
That guy.
Kuya, kumuha.
Ano?
Kumuha ka, nalagay mo sa palad mo.
Here, Chiki Chiki. Chicken and Chiki. Daddy, put them in your shoulder.
Kuya, Omet, dagdagan mo yung sayo.
No, put it in your shoulder.
Kumain na yan.
Hello, little guy. What are you doing, bro? I'm good to do. Hello. Hello. Dinosaur. Nah, can I have the food, please? I want to eat very much. Why? Okay. Can you give me the food? Okay, I'll give you banana. Banana. Hey, banana. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. I want more.
Kasi mas matigas.
No, that's enough. That's enough.
Kasi mas matigas, Dad.
Palagkitin mo. Hindi nila magulo.
Ew! What's a sticky bed? What's a showy? I need to go to the cake box. Well, I don't want to go to the box. I need the cake box. Bye-bye.
Elliot, don't put it in the water. Elliot, ha? The water.
And this one? No?
Ang ganda ng pag-ano ko.
Oh my God. What's the other bird? Oh, there. Little thing. Bird.
lalaki, parang yung mga nang-boxing, no? Pagala-gala.
Look, Papa and Mama, red panda.
Panda. Yeah.
You call that animal? She's a red panda. Red panda.
She's not. What's the name? She's not a red panda. Red panda, but not related to pandas or bears. She's more has more in connection with a raccoon than she has. She's not there. Yes, like a raccoon.
Oh, right there. Wait, wait.
Good. Ang galing.
So she's from
Very ano siya, no?
China,
Ano?
Nepal, but
Oh, it's
they're
good.
endangered.
Gengag nga naman ito.
We've only got the one now. We used to have two others. One of them was 18. I think we still have to
I want to play.
and he passed away a couple of months ago.
Whoa, so high.
When we lose them.
Oh, need to go down.
And we only got her recently.
Mommy.
But they're
Playground? Maybe that's his playground, Daddy.
Yeah, that's his house.
10 to 12. Yeah. So they
Yeah.
live longer in the sanctuary.
Wait,
because
I
they've got no
mean,
predators.
I just get
They get well fed.
Sala? Ano siya? Vegetarian. From Madagascar movie.
Look, Elliot. Look, oh, they will, there's a
Are they gonna feed it?
I think, yeah.
Bye.
I don't know.
No, Elliot, don't do that. Just look.
Done.
Smile. Happy.
Moment. Just stand still for me and don't touch the lemur as it moves past you. This is Hannah, our oldest boy. So just standing nice and still for me, please. He's just going to move past you, and then as he stands, just taking a step back for me. That would be amazing, guys. So he's still taking a step back for me there. Now I'm going to go into a scatter seat up on the hill for all the boys. They're going to probably follow me up as soon as I start walking up there. So once again, just standing nice and still as they move past you, and just don't freak out too much. Okay?
Oh, stand still now.
Still.
Don't move, don't move, don't move. I like to move it, move it.
All of them are coming over here.
Look here.
Video ka ba?
Pee. Go, you touch there.
Wag, Daddy.
You just sit down. Sit down. Oh, ayun na. Oh, look, the boy is touching the dino. Oh. Oh.
I don't like being pat on the head, darling. Just on the back.
No, you touch. Sit down.
Oh, the window. That's what it sounds like.
Ay, may mga bata rin, no?
Sana mo jump. Jump!
3, 2, 1, go! Huh? Don't see up that animal.
Not jumping.